the system is designed to automatically adjust for daylight savings time, the time and date may need adjustment after an extended power failure. To program the time and date, press the star key, the 6 key, followed by your 4-digit code. The keypad will beep rapidly 4 times. Press the 1 key to select time and date. To program the time and date, enter 10 digits using the following format: hour, minute, month, day, year. The time is programmed using a 24-hour clock. For example, to program 8:30 p.m. June 29, 2007, enter the following numbers: 20 for the hour, 30 for the minute, 06 for the month, 29 for the day, and 07 for the year.